questions that you want to know and you want answers to.
When you run a digital business or an affiliate marketing business, you know that you need to create a tripwire. Now, what's a tripwire? Tripwire essentially is a very low selling product, maybe for $7 or for $3, that actually get your customers to pull out your credit card. This is a very common selling strategies when it comes to affiliate marketing and digital publishing. But at the same time, this exact same strategy can be applied to e-commerce, and we call this free plus shipping. Now I know, a lot of people say free plus shipping is dead, it is not working, it is not producing enough profit. But in reality, you actually misinterpret the reason why there is something called the e-commerce tripwire, which is free plus shipping. Free plus shipping is not being used for you to actually generate a lot of profit. It can get you some decent profit and get you a lot of customers. However, where your money is at is really increasing your average order value by applying upsells, by simply applying quantities, by continuing to sell them through the back end. And if you actually look at any affiliate marketing business or digital publishing business, tripwire products always lose money. And the whole purpose of the tripwire is to have people giving you their credit card to actually earn their trust. Once you got their trust, guess what? You would want to monetize it from the back end. Because when people actually pull out their credit card to buy from you, regardless of however much the money transaction is, they trust you. Versus people that are prospect that never buy from you, they are a completely different crowd. But now that with the free plus shipping strategy, yes, you're giving away a product for free and you're charging them shipping, but they still have to pull out their credit card and they have to trust you in order for you to actually do that. Once you actually got their trust, you want to build a relationship with them and actually have more products sold to them. You don't want to just run a free plus shipping offer and do nothing with it and hoping that the free plus shipping offer is going to make you money. Your whole deal is to really think about monetization from the back end. And that's where all your money comes in play because your ads have already paid off to actually acquire that customer. Anything else that you do afterwards are going to be pure profit into your business. So a lot of people that say free plus shipping is dead is only because you only look at the surface of things. There are so much opportunity, so many ways for you to monetize and make more money from your existing free plus shipping customers that you have not yet applied. And I challenge you to actually look at that because imagine if these free plus shipping customer comes back to buy more products from you, to actually have recommendations from you and buy an affiliate offer, that's where all your profit actually come in play because you never need to actually spend more money to actually acquire a new customer anymore. You want to work on your existing customer. So again, like I said, you want to use free plus shipping to actually acquire a customer so that you can build a relationship with them and monetize it from the back end. And that's the reason why free plus shipping still works.